The lid on your cooler uses two steel hinges to pivot open. The hinges also prevent the lid from opening more than about 90 degrees. The hinges can be bent if the cooler lid is accidentally hit, or if the cooler falls. Replacing the hinges is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old hinges from the cooler. They're secured with screws. Now I can install the new hinges. You'll notice that one side of the hinge has a raised portion on it. This is the stop for the lid, and it should go on top. I'll line the hinge and secure it with the new screws. And I'll repeat this on the other side. And that's how easy it is to install new steel hinges on your cooler. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.